yung, laba. Pink pen. A blue ball pen. A purple ball pen. A glittery pink ball pen. A glue stick. Ha? Ha? Pulbo? Pulbo? Ay, di man. Nakadin na nga. Girl niya ako, pero nakadin man lang. Ang sabi niya kan? Highlighter. Green and ano pa ba? I-red ball. Laging kuha ko lang at classroom early in the morning. Correction. Kasi sa kuraan, ikaw-ter, diri ko yung farmlands. It's harmless. An ink for the marker.
Ano mo kung nariglaw na ko?
Ay, joke lang guys. Why for marker man yun eh. So, pwede yapan marker how our teacher was asking about why marker tapos may dalawa na ako. Sorry.
Permission iglabog.
Pencil is in a very dirty. Since grade. Another pen of mine. Original pen of mine. Kinuha ko lang sa i-sharpen. Yun. Sharpen na siya. Naging kuha ko lang sa system.
Seryoso.
Ganun na. Ang content is rate. Wait. Sino mo? Don't judge. It was about ay, ganyan pa. Update? Oh, I'm the classmate. Tapos grade kayo siya sa ay, kung may nagtipis kayo. So, I'm sitting near the ako pwede-describe na ako hi konnichiwa konnichiwa dore ay
Pagkawalit sa amin tayo.
Rona.
Again. Joke lang tol. Joke lang. Mga sulat, mga ligaw.
Naputo na niya ears. Motivation for in
Bakit titigil ka sila? Hindi ka makakaling.
Mobya.
baliktad ba? Ay, joke. Kind of information.
Ano? Resident? Pwede na gumawas. Ay, that's good. Sabay kita ka.
Pulogi!
Sama na tiyo.
Ay, that's good kita ka.
Sama na tiyo.
Ay, that's good ka.
It's since grade 7. This was given by my classmate na atubangan ko lang yan. Sinjay. Sorry, nagwa ako. Lamas room, no? Bye! 5 minutes na siya. They were practicing about, nutrition month. Ay, for nutrition month. Jingle bell sa direct. Jingle something in the props maker ako pero wala ko kami nag-take up. We haven't started yet. And the deadline is Mono's birthday. Is on Mono's birthday. July 17. Diba? I'm not a singer. I do not know how to compose a song. I don't know how to make a tune. Right. In terms of lyrics, well, I have the talent, I think, in writing lyrics, but since I am not a singer and di ako nakakaano, especially if it's written in English, and hindi ako bihasa sa English. I mean, I can communicate and I can speak using the English language, but not just dahil talaga wide ako namin tutorials of English, more on Filipino. Tatak Pinoy. But from time to time, I try to speak in English, but just like right now. Kasi, photography, but I don't have but more some uniqueness about camera attitude. Parang kamat ginagas. Pag old tradition siya baliktad. Their voices is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Mapaslit na singer ako na kaya wala na akong pasinger yan. But I'm so grateful even though I don't really have the talent na dancing, singing, drawing, the parts. Because I know that I have my own. I just cannot find it right now. Magkakidin talent na kasi. But I really believe that I have a talent of my own. I just didn't yet